Hello everyone, welcome back to our English speaking course. Today is day 15 and our topic is giving opinion in English. आज हम सीखेंगे कि अंग्रेजी में अपनी राय कैसे व्यक्त करें. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to share your thought confidently in English. Let's begin. Welcome back. Today we will learn how to express our opinion. Useful opinion phrases, how to agree politely, how to disagree politely. Real life conversation practice. This skill will help you speak English naturally in daily life interviews, meeting and conversation. So, what is an opinion? The first, let's understand the meaning of opinion. An opinion is what you think or believe about something. Opinion means right. For example, I think English is important. I believe hard work leads to success. In my opinion, reading books is useful. So, opinion can be different from person to. Now, let's learn some common phrases used to express opinion. Repeat after me. I think, मुझे लगता है. I believe, मेरा विश्वास है. In my opinion, मेरी राय में. From my point of view, मेरी दृष्टिकोण से. As far as I am concerned, जहाँ तक मेरा सवाल है. These phrases make your English sound more natural and professional. So, let's see some example. I think English is easy. I believe practice improves speaking skill. In my opinion, express is important. From my point of view, online learning is helpful. Notice that each sentence expresses a personal opinion. Now repeat this sentence aloud. When you have the same opinion as another person, you agree. Useful expression are I agree, you are right, absolutely, that is true, I think, tool. इंग्लिश में एग्जाम्पल देख लेते हैं. इंग्लिश इज इम्पॉर्टेंट, आई एग्री, इट हेल्प्स इन कम्युनिकेशन. So, sometimes we don't agree with someone, but we should disagree politely. Useful expression are I don't think so. I am not sure about that. I see it differently. I respectfully disagree. अब एक बच्चों हम एग्जाम्पल भी देख लेते हैं. Online classes are boring. I don't think so. They are useful. Always be respectful while expressing a different opinion. अब डेली कन्वर्जेशन में हम देख लेते हैं. तो रियल लाइफ कन्वर्जेशन है यहाँ पे. राहुल, what do you think about learning English online? Asha, in my opinion, it is very useful. Rahul, I agree. It saves time. Yes. Asha, yes, and we can learn from anywhere. Now, practice this conversation with a partner or read both roles aloud. Now, it is your turn. Answer this question in English. What do you think about mobile phones? Do you think exercise is important? What is your opinion about online learning? Do you think English is necessary for a good job? Try to answer using I think, I believe, in my opinion. Speak loudly and confidently. तो बच्चों आज मैंने आपने देखा होगा मैं इंग्लिश ही में बोल रही हूँ क्योंकि आप जितना सुनेंगे इंग्लिश उतना आपके माइंड में बैठेगा. So Let's learn today's vocabulary. Opinion means right. Agree मतलब सहमत होना. Disagree मतलब असहमत होना. Believe विश्वास. View दृष्टिकोण. Suggestion सुझाव. Repeat each word 3 times for better pronunciation. Uh, Complete this sentence with your own idea. So I think, in my opinion, I believe, I agree with, I don't think. Three are they are just right or wrong answer. Just express your thought. So now let's improve pronunciation. Repeat each sentence 3 times. I think English is important. In my opinion, practice is essential. I agree with your idea. I respectful disagree. अब बच्चों हमने यहाँ पे देखा कि पोलाइटली हम कैसे करते हैं. तो आई रिस्पेक्टफुल डिसएग्री. फोकस ऑन क्लियर प्रोनाउंसिएशन एंड कॉन्फिडेंस. स्पीकिंग चैलेंज में हम देखते हैं. नाउ कम टुडे स्पीकिंग चैलेंज. स्पीक फॉर 1 minute. व्हाई इंग्लिश is speaking is important for my career. Use these phrases. I think, I believe, in my opinion, I agree. Don't worry about mistake. Just keep speaking confidently. होमवर्क में बच्चों आपको write 5 sentences using I think, I believe, in my opinion. After writing, read them aloud 5 times. This will improve both writing and speaking skill. Excellent work, everyone. You have successfully completed day 15 of the English speaking course. Keep practicing every day. Remember, practice makes progress. Confidence comes with speaking. In day 16, we will learn making suggestion in English. Thank you and see you in the next lesson.